Number 14. The table shows the cost per year of attending different types of colleges. A student is planning to attend college in 5 years. The student has saved $1,200 and plans to save another $50 per month over the next 60 months. How much will a student have? So this is not an interest problem. There's no interest involved, so you don't need the interest formulas. It's not simple interest. It's not compound interest. It's just simply a linear equation. So we want to know what the value of y is, because that is going to determine which of these options are available to that student. And so we are going to use that information to evaluate F, G, H, and J to find out which of those four possibilities is the best answer. So we'll clear the parentheses. So y equals 50 times 60, that's 3,000. We're going to add the 1,200 to that. So that student will have 4,200. Well, let's look at F. The student would be able to afford the cost for 1 year at a private 4-year college. So let's just see what 1 year at a private 4-year college would cost. 38,000. Nope, that's out of the budget. G, the student would be able to afford out-of-state costs for half a year at a 4-year public college. Well, let's just see what a 4-year public college cost. And it's out of state. So 4-year out of state is 28,000. 1/2 times 28,000 is 14,000. Student only has 4,200. So no, let's try H. The student would be able to afford in-state costs for half a year at a public 4-year college. Okay, in-state. Now we're getting closer. The in-state 4-year public is 11,000. Half of that is 5,500. But still, that one's out of the budget. It is more than the 4,200 that is saved. So we have J. Well, let's take a look at it. The student would be able to afford in-state costs for 1 year at a public 2-year college. Okay, well, let's actually, you know what? Let's make that green. Okay, public 2-year college. So, public 2-year college, 4,000. The student can afford that. So I'm going with J. Let's check our answer. J is correct. And there you have it.